today I got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100 XR truck cap. Fits the 09 to 18 Ram with the 5.7 bed. Charcoal gray in color. This is a little bit scratched in spots. Has a small nick right there. The top edge got a little bit of a crack right there. I know something must have scratched it or something. I'm not sure what that is exactly, but top on this side looks good. Top edge looks good. Get down to the front corner here, and we've got a scratch, and the front corner is kind of chewed up. It's been probably set down. I'm almost sure it's been set down on the ground. The bottom edge on this one's chewed up a little bit. You can kind of see. Generally, that's from being set down. People take them off and they set them on the ground, and the edges get chewed up. All the way down through there, you got a couple, a little spot on the glasses popped right there. But I mean, it's bottom edge. You can touch that up, put some trim. Sometimes we put black trim molding on the edge, and you can't even see any of that. Half side sliders on the side on this front has a sliding window in it. Front's in good shape. Not a lot of damage on the front here. You see a little bit of a scratch or a scuff going down through the top, going clear to the back. Probably hit a garage door or something. There's one over here as well. Goes all the way back. A little bit of a wear mark where it hit the back of the cab. Bottom edge looks nice on this one here. Sliding window in the front. Top and top edge, you can see the scratch up there on the top, runs all the way down. You can see it pretty good there on the back edge. A couple scuff marks right here, scratches in the paint. Bottom edge on this one doesn't look too bad till you get up into this area. You can kind of see it gets, like I said, it looks like it was taken off the previous owner's truck and set on the ground. Same thing on the corner. Typically these get chipped up from taking them off, and you set the front corner down first, and then it chips the glass up. A little scratch right there. Half side sliders on the side. Frameless rear door. Single T-handle locking rear door. Back edge looks pretty decent. A little bit of a scratch right there. I don't know what they drove under, but inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens look pretty good. Don't see any holes in the screens from here. Sliding window. And this screen, pretty decent shape as well. Serial number, it's right there. There it is, cab high fiberglass 100 XR. It's the 09 to 18 Ram 5.7 bed. That being said, also will work on the 19 through 22 Ram Classics. The Ram Classic is the same body style as the 09 to 18 Ram. Now it won't work on the new body styles, 19 to current Rams, but only the classic models. So cab high fiberglass Ram 5.7 bed, charcoal in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, make arrangements to pick that up. Purchase it online. That all can be done through that link below. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, deck units, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching, and subscribe below.